Now we're going to view Reggie, our patient, that we saved as an Excel report. So there are a lot of things under system, but right now I'm focusing on how to view the Excel report. So you just want to hit system, view Excel reports, and this looks very similar to a computer, just like an Excel report on a computer. You want to hit file, open, and Reggie is our patient in here. So again, it saves as the patient ID and the time and date. So you just want to highlight that, file, and hit open. And it's going to automatically open within the Excel. You can make it bigger by hitting the larger box. Now, I don't have any values on here due to the fact that we didn't have a real patient on here. But if you had the patient on here, all the values are going to be on this Excel document. So going down, you have heart rate, pulse ox, and tidal CO2. It has all of the measurements, all of the parameters, and then in the middle would be all of the numbers. It automatically defaults to save every 5 minutes, but you can change that interval of time by actually scrolling over. And here it says measurement interval in minutes is 5. If you wanted to change that, say you did have an event that you wanted to see, you could decrease this time by hitting the black arrows. So say you wanted to do every 1 minute, and then you'd hit click here to renew interval of measurement. The screen is going to kind of flash a little bit. And then on the top, you're going to see the time intervals have changed from every 5 minute to 1 minute. Also on this report, you're going to see Reggie's name, his ID, the time he was admitted, the time he was discharged, the number interval of minutes, and the memory minutes, so how long the actual procedure was. Now that we saved every 1 minute, when we go to leave the screen, it's going to ask us again if we want to save. This is just asking us if we want to save our time change, because already in the software, we've changed we've saved the every 5 minute report. So to get out of this screen, you would just hit the X. And like I said, it says, do you want to save the changes? And again, this is the changes from the 5 minute to 1 minute. I'm going to say no, I don't need this report. And then it's going to bring you back to the monitoring screen. Here is an example of an Excel spreadsheet that is saved every 5 minutes for a patient.